सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आज की वीडियो में हम सोशल साइंस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ये प्रैक्टिस सेट 1 है हिमाचल टैट के लिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन 61 से स्टार्ट होगा सोशल साइंस। हु डिस्कवर्ड द रूइंस ऑफ हड़प्पा। चार्ल्स मैसोन इसने डिस्कवर्ड किया था। 62 विच पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश इज एसोसिएटेड विद महाजनपदस of Aravati. Malwa, this is the Malwa place. 63rd question, Kalinga War took place in which year? 261 BC. 64, which name dynasty developed in eastern part of the country? Pallas. 65, Islam arrived in the inland of Indian subcontinent in which century? In 7th century. 66, was the round table conference in London successful for Gandhi? The answer is C. No, the negotiations broke down and Gandhi returned disappointed. 67, who among the following reformer found Arya Samaj? The answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. In which year Portuguese Pedro Alvares Cabral arrived in India? The answer is C. 1500 CE. Who among the following rulers set up the department of Diwan-e-Khatir? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 70, the Shuddhi movement involving the conversion of non-Hindu to Hindus was started by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. 71, whose religion was called the golden age of Mughal architecture? The answer is Shah Jahan. 72, with which Mughal ruler is the Moti Masjid in Agra associated? Humayun. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states? Odisha. 74, the highest peak in Western Ghat is Anamundi. 75, consider the following statement. A, the river that exists before the upheaval of the Himalayas and cut their courses southward by making gorges in the mountains are known as the superimposed river. B, the rivers which follow the general direction of the slope are known as consequent rivers. Which of the following statements are correct? The answer is only A statement is correct. 76, the maximum depth of lithosphere found in Pacific Ocean. In which one of the following countries is intensive subsistence agriculture not predominantly practices? Canada. The Woosen Harbour is situated in South Korea. The National Institute of Disaster Management was inaugurated on August 14, 2024. 18th, select the correct form of ISDR. B, International Strategy for Disaster Reduction. 81, which of the following elements occur most abundantly in our universe? Hydrogen. Gases which increase the temperature of the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. are known as dash gases, greenhouse gases. 83, which of the following are example of macrominerals? The answer is all of above, sodium, calcium, chloride. 84, what is the projected capacity of Bodh Ghat hydropower project? 300 MW. Who among the following developed the concept of agrarian societies? Robert Redfield. 86, the Supreme Court held that forcing a person to undergo paragraph brain mapping and necroanalysis test as violation of Article 21 and 23. 87, which article of Constitution states for the establishment of a high court in every state? The answer is Article 214. Which is only which is the only part of the Constitution that has been completely removed. Part 7. Identify the hindrance in the smooth functioning of democracy in India. Communalism and casteism. 90 is bilateral agreement and governance treaty between India and Pakistan signed on February 21, 1999. Lahore Declaration. The function unit of the environment is ecosystem. Which of the following is called a detritivore? An element feeding on dead organic material. A period of rapid population growth between the pre-industrial stable population characterized by high birth and death rates and a large modern stable population marked by low fertility and mortality is known as demographic transition. The mass movement of rock debris or earth down a slope is referred to as landslide. Fly ash is environmental pollutant released mostly from coal-based thermal power plant. Under which climate condition do lateral soils develop? Wet tropical climate. 97. The most suitable irrigation method of groundnut is border strip method. 98. Growth of fruit plant in an orderly manner and maintain them for successive economic returns is known as orcharding. 99. Which one of the following cause harm to human health using pesticides? Laboratory diagnosis of Entamoeba hytolithica develops on identification in a stool. Which poet has composed the ancient ballads and legends of Hindustan? Toru Dutt. 102. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. What is the full form of DSO? District Sports Officer. Alvira Brito has passed away. Was a former captain of which sports team of India? Hockey. Who among the following chess players has defeated world champion Magnus Carlsen in the 18th round of the Elite Masters tournament? So the answer is Rameshwar Babu. 106. The diagnostic evaluation is conducted to identifying the learning difficulties. 107. Conducting a type of entrance examination for selecting learner for a particular course is an example of placement evaluation. 108. Co-curricular activities are mostly related to which of the following? All over development of students. The most appropriate purpose of learning is modification of behavior. Dash is price support mechanism for procurement of agriculture and horticultural commodities which are generally perishable in nature. Public distribution system. Market intervention scheme. 111. Bhilai steel plant is located in Chhattisgarh. Which one of the following rocks is an example of sedimentary rock? Shale. 113. The tail of a comet always points away from the sun. 114. Which of the following associated with fault strike valley? Which one of the following is not a tropical desert? Gobi. 116. Which part of Indian Constitution deal with the fundamental rights? Part 3. Which one of the following amendments of the Constitution of India deals with the issue of strengthening of the Panchayati Raj? 73. Amendments. The Office of International Court of Justice is situated in The Hague. Population control and family planning is Listed in which list of Indian Constitution? The concurrent list. Which one of the following directive principle is related to the foreign policy? आर्टिकल 51. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.